Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nasif and I make tutorial videos on software productivity tools that will help you increase your productivity at work. If you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe, click on the notification button to get notified whenever I post a new video. In this video, I'll be giving you some tips on how to increase the speed of your internet whenever it's slow or whenever it refuses to load. What I'm going to talk about will work on both router and mobile phones. Currently, I'm using my phone as a hotspot and I'll be swapping from my phone to Wi-Fi router just to teach you some things you need to know. All of these tips will be available on the blog section of my website, so you can kindly visit whenever you want it. If you are experiencing slow internet, you might want to consider going through these tips in order to get your internet move faster. First of all, check the speed of your internet using fast.com. Fast.com is a website that allows you to check the speed of your internet, including the uploads and the downloads. You are able to see the speed that your internet service provider is providing you in order to make the decision of when to change it. Secondly, restarting your router will be a best option for you. Sometimes the DNS will not be able to connect, and it's only through restarting your router or your phone will allow the DNS to communicate with the service provider. So you might want to consider restarting your router. Thirdly, you might want to consider checking the internet plan to make sure that you have enough bundle to save the internet. The fourth one on my list is to check the settings of your phone or router or Wi-Fi to make sure that you are not on edge or a slow network. You can do that by following these steps. You might also want to consider checking the position of your phone or router. Most often, people choose to put their router around the wall or maybe on the floor. But the best position to place your internet is at the center of your office or your room, which you can also choose to elevate it by putting it on a table. Do not put it around any electronic device in order for it to limit its interference. And the next one is to update the firmware of your router or phone. Every device considering phone or router has a firmware, and updating this might increase the speed of your internet as well as the security of your internet. Try also securing your network from unauthorized users by always making sure that your internet password is secured. Always try to change your internet password as regular as you can to prevent intruders. You can also direct traffic to certain applications or websites by using quality of service on your router to allocate more bandwidth to it to ensure smoother experience. Finally, if all of these does not work for you, then consider using a wired network connection, also known as Ethernet connection. This is very suitable for websites or applications that require high internet speed like streaming and gaming. I hope these tips helps you to speed up your internet. Thank you for watching and see you in our next one.